Alright, so I'm just looking over my best trade of the week, and once again it was in pound dollar, and we had some interesting action. We had quite a bit of sideways action just in this zone here, and I actually believe that this was just a ruse for what the banks actually wanted to do, and I believe that it was going to go higher. So we saw price come down, and then I was actually in a buying mode, believing that price was going to push out of that consolidation a lot higher. So if we look at a 1 hour chart, we can see that we already did have a big run up, and it would seem like now maybe was the time to turn around, but the price action was showing something different. And so if we just zoom in, okay, now a lot of people don't believe it's possible to sell the tops and buy the bottoms of the market, but it is actually possible, and it's something that you can do with a lot of frequency, as you might have seen if you've been watching my videos. So here's my trade. So I bought within 5 pips of the bottom, or 6 pips of the bottom. I took out a number of positions at 15 pips to break even, and then actually believed that we were going to hit a lot higher. So I actually set my limit for above this high. We didn't quite reach it, and so when I woke up, this is where price was, and 96 pips, and so I decided to take that. I was just trading small lots with this account, and so that's probably about 160 pips overnight, possibly I had about 5 positions at plus 15, so that's over 70 pips, so over 160 pips overnight. And so I almost got the top there, however my take profit was just slightly higher. So that was a brilliant trade to start the week, and in fact that was on the 6th of January, so that was actually on, let's put our days in and zoom out. So okay, yeah, so that's on the Monday. So brilliant start to the week. That put me up about 4% I think, or 5% on my account. So brilliant start to the week, and something that you can do with frequency if you can understand where the banks are trading and how they're trading. As you can see, this is the actual deal map of my platform. These are not lines I've drawn. This shows where my entry is, it shows where my exit is. So guys, if you are interested in learning to trade like this, then click the link below in the description. We are just beginning our new course in the next few weeks, which is learning to trade with the banks, how to understand the nuances of bank manipulation, how to enter when the banks enter, how to get out, exit when the banks exit, and how to move in the same direction as the banks. And if you're not trading with the banks, you're trading against them, and that's why 95% of everyone who starts trading actually fails, because they are trying to stay in front of a train that has hundreds and hundreds of millions of dollars pushing that train down the track straight towards you to take out you and your account. So if you don't want to be a casualty, then give me a call, or actually contact me on the link below, or join me in the Facebook group and get in touch. I'd love to talk with you and see if you are someone who would be interested in going through the course and learning to make the real money that's available in the markets. Okay guys, have an amazing weekend, and I'll see you next week. Good luck with your trading.